Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Do you know what is psychology? In today's video, we will talk about what is psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of mind and behavior. Psychologists are actively involved in studying and understanding mental process, brain functions, and behavior. Psychology is the study of mind and behavior. The subject matter of psychology is behavior of human and non-human, both conscious and unconscious, and the mental process such as thoughts, feelings, and motors. There are four major areas of psychology. They are clinical psychology, cognitive psychology, behavioral psychology, and biopsychology. In clinical psychology is counseling for mental and behavioral health. Cognitive psychology is understanding the mental process, and behavioral psychology is studying and learning about behavior and different conditions. And biopsychology is about human life, about brain functions and evolutions. There are four major goals of psychology. So psychologists, they have been they are working on. They explain, they describe, they predict, and they change or control the behavior of others. There are 8 distinct types of psychology. They are abnormal psychology. They are abnormal psychology, biopsychology, cognitive psychology, developmental psychology, and forensic psychology, organizational or industrial psychology, personality psychology, and social psychology. As far as the importance of psychology is concerned, so as we know that psychologists have been working in all areas of life. They have been working in education, they have been working in sports, they have been working in industry, and they have been working in different areas of life. And they have been working on identifying the problems and then finding solution to all those problems. So the main focus of psychology is changing of human behavior, how to change human behavior, how to improve human behavior, and how to change negative thinking to positive thinking, and how to improve the lifestyle of the people, the quality of the people. The function of psychology is how to understand the basic human nature, how to understand people, how do we act, how do we behave, and why do we do certain things in a certain way, and how do we behave with these people, how do we behave with ourselves, how do we think, how do we perceive. So it improves our relationship, it improves our communications, it improves our lifestyle, and it makes us more productive. It actually identifies the problems in different areas of life and different fields of life. For example, if we take the example of education, so there is education psychology, and education psychology focuses on how to improve the teaching learning process and how to make it more conducive for the students as well as for the teachers, and how to benefit the teachers in the greatest possible way and the best possible way. So the same is true about each and every area of life. So how to provide support to the professionals, and how to identify the problems, and how to provide support to them, and how to make them more effective and more productive in their lives. So psychology, it has a huge impact on our lives, and we should therefore try to study psychology. We must try to understand psychology, and when we study psychology and we read books on psychology and the field in which we have been working, so if we study books about that field, so we will come to know about how can we become a true professional, and how can we become more productive, more effective, and how can we show better results and better performance in that very area and that field of life. So psychology has a great importance, and therefore we must study it and we must try to understand it, because we are human and we have to deal with human beings. And if you want to have a great life, and if you want to have a happy and successful life, then we must learn we must learn about human nature, and we can learn about human nature through the study of psychology. I hope you like the topic and the video. Stay happy, stay blessed.